Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we put all of the makeup on. I wanted to do this cute cotton candy, like glitter kind of fantasy. I took it there, I added some bottom lashes, and I had a lot of fun with this. I was in the mood to put all the makeup on. I sure did. I haven't played in color in a while, so I wanted to do that today. This is by no means an original video. I literally just wanted to do this eye look for so long, and I finally did. So, another elephant in the room is I have some colored contacts in. I don't know if they're even picking up on camera, but I kind of like the way they look with the makeup, and you'll probably see these going forward. Either way, I had a lot of fun today. This was a really fun video to film. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this cotton candy fantasy, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start by priming my eyes. And since we're doing more of a colorful look, I'm going to use the Anastasia eyeshadow primer. Okay, so eyeshadow primer is on. And I have a wicked dry patch on this eye. So if it looks choppy, it's probably just my dry patch. So the two palettes I grabbed was the Profusion Spectrum palette. So I think this is really nice because it has all the mattes that I need. And then I also grabbed the Profusion Festival palette because it has more of an array of shades. When you look at them side by side, like this is definitely more like neon or like brighter. And these are a little bit more pastel. So we're gonna see. I think I'm just gonna use both of them together. I think I'm gonna have to start dark to light and just kind of go from there. So I want to map it out to like a dark pink to a light pink to a blue. Do it that way. So I think that'll be the best way to do it. And so I'm gonna grab, this is the JS8 brush. And I'm gonna first grab Totally, which is this color right here. And I'm gonna focus this kind of in the outer edge of my eye. Because what I'm gonna end up doing is cutting the whole crease so I can be a little bit sloppier. So I'm gonna take that about to maybe a little bit less than halfway. And I'm really gonna blend this out because I want it to look very fused, very ethereal. I'm gonna use my color switch to just take off the like excess product. And then I could just go in and really kind of blend things out. There's gonna be like a whole lot of dimension in this look. So I gotta have these colors really blended. Because I really am gonna take just this color here. On camera, it looks like it's going pretty well. So, and then I'm just going to like slightly build it a little bit more on the base of the eye. So I'm gonna concentrate most of the color here and then blend up. Oh, that dry patch is gnarly. Now I'm going to grab the Morphe M433 brush. I'm going to dip into Rave, which is like this nice pink color. Very pigmented. I'm going to first pack this pretty low, and I'm going to blend that color up. So now I'm going to grab a tighter brush. This is the JS6 brush. This one's a little bit tighter. And I'm going to grab Festival palette. I'm going to grab this color, which is called Wavy, and I'm going to pack it right in here. So almost like the inner corner of the eye. Color switch one more time. Then I'm going to take the Spectrum palette and I'm going to grab Bermuda, and I'm going to use that color to blend out the first color right up here. Hey, cute, this is coming together for sure. I love the way this is starting to look. I haven't done a look like this where I need like 3 palettes in a long time, and it's actually very exciting. So I don't think that outer corner is deep enough. So I'm gonna grab this Real Techniques brush. This is the 042 brush. I'm gonna grab my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2, and I'm gonna dip just very slightly into Dance Party and Next. And I'm gonna kind of just deepen up this outer edge a little bit. I feel like I got lost just a little bit with that pink. I'm gonna go back with that Totally color and blend it. Okay, yeah, that did what I needed to do. And then I'm gonna go back with the pink color and reintroduce that. I'm loving the way this is turning out. This is a lot of like back and forth blending. So you really wanna be patient with something like this that involves a lot of color, because you're gonna have to go back and like reintroduce the color and then blend it. I've been wanting to do a look like this for such a long time, and today I felt like putting on the makeup, so here we are. Ooh, I love the way this looks. I'm like so excited. The next thing I was gonna do is I was gonna cut the crease, but I'm gonna use this Stila glitter. This is in Diamond Dust, so I think this is like perfect because it's silver, but has like a lot of different colors in it. So I feel like I could just, since this is like opaque, I can just go on top of it. So I'm just going to... Okay, so I went ahead and smoothed out the glitter, and this is kind of the look we did. I'm going to now go individually into every color and kind of just like reinforce the edges a little bit. So I don't want to scratch at the glitter like crease that we made, but I just want to, like I said, kind of reinforce the colorway we have going on. So I'm just individually dipping into each color and just going on the edge of it. That is so pretty. Look at that. I'm definitely going to go do the other eye off camera because I feel like that took me a long time. And then be back. So I'm going to do my other eye off camera and be back. Okay, so I'm back and I have both eyes done and I just love the way they look. They look so cute. They look so like cotton candy and feathery, and I love the way it looks. Now, one thing I keep debating on is like if I wanted to add like a white liner situation, and I don't think I do. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. I think I'm gonna finish out the eyes first before I move on to anything else. This is an LA Colors like loose shimmer glitter thing, but it's like this really white color. And I think this is gonna be great to like put in my inner corner on like my brow bone. So I'm gonna take this. This is a Clinique eye contour brush. I'm just gonna dip in here and I'm going to, should I wet this? Oh yeah, see, that's what I wanted. Now, I definitely need to add a white liner into my waterline for sure. So I'm gonna take LA Girl. This is the LA Girl Perfect Precision Eyeliner in Arctic White. I'm gonna take the Benefit Their Real Magnet Mascara. Do a light coat since we're gonna add false lashes anyway. I don't think I want to add any liquid liner to this look, so I'm just gonna go in with lashes. And I grabbed my Ioni. This is the like the big pack they have. And I think I'm really into like this really big one over here. Okay, you can barely see these. So what I think is I'm gonna put these on and then throw like a coat of mascara on them and they should work. So the lashes are on, so I'm literally just gonna like whisk some mascara through them so they just look a little bit more noticeable. So they're really nice, like barely there lashes, which is cool for this look. But I want a little bit more definition than that. All right, so yeah, that did actually a lot. So love the way that like made them look now. So these are great because they don't cover the eye look, but they definitely give you some emphasis to the eye, which is nice. For my brows, I got my brows laminated. That video is coming soon. If not up ready, I'll link it. But I got my brows laminated. So all I literally do now is just throw brow gel in them and call it a day. Like, look at that. Like, that looks so good. I think just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna take my Clinique quick liner for brows, kind of just hit my tail a little bit, and then kind of right in here. Do a couple strokes. Let's get this complexion on, shall we? So I have my skin prep done, and I'm just gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown Vitamin and Enriched face base, of course, you know, on a beauty blender. Prime the face with that. Oh, this is so cold. I'm gonna grab my Makeup Forever and my Clinique foundation. Alrighty, and then we're gonna blend that out. Love. Ooh, love the way that looks. In person, I just look so airbrushed and not like heavy at all. Cool. For concealer, I'm gonna take the R.E.M Beauty Concealer. I'm actually gonna take it on this more 173 brush. It's like a concealer brush. And I'm gonna use this to apply and buff. Before anything has any time to crease, I'm gonna take my Bakerie Flour Setting Powder. So I'm gonna take my beauty blender and dip it into the powder. And then set it. Every single time I use this powder, I'm like, this is so amazing. I forget every single time. Now that the face is set, I can go in with my Jaclyn palette and just start brightening up the under eye. Ooh, yes, love. before I finish off the rest of the face, I'm gonna actually hit the lower lash line, and I'm gonna go in the same order as we did on the outer edge. So I'm gonna do Totally on the outer edge. Cool. I'm gonna do Rave right in the middle. Bermuda as the last color. And then we have a gradient. I love. And then I'm just gonna redo a little bit of the liner since it looks like it got a little eaten away. Then I'm gonna do a little bottom lash mascara with the Urban Decay Wild Lash Mascara. I kind of want to throw some like bottom lashes on. Should we do that? I think the lower lash line needs a little bit more emphasis. So I think I'm gonna grab some like cluster lashes and then apply a couple on the bottom. I have these cluster lashes from Ioni, and I think I just want to add a couple to the lower lash line. These are like really tiny, so they won't look so crazy. Ooh, okay. I really like that. That's cute. Ooh, okay. I think I'll do like one more. Bottom lashes definitely took this look somewhere else, and I'm kind of living for it. So let's finish up the rest of the face. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Megaglo contouring palette in Caramel Toffee. For blush, I'm gonna take Benefit Crystah. For highlighter, I want to take Nabla in Privilege. So this one is better applied with your finger. Yeah, like a pinky kind of gold highlighter, which matches the aesthetic of this look. That is very pretty, and it doesn't emphasize like texture or anything. It looks really pretty. It sits really well on top of the skin, so I'm loving that. Wow, love this. It's super good. And now we just need a lip. So we're gonna go very basic with the lip, I think. I'm gonna take Jaclyn Cosmetics lip liner in Butter Pecan. I'm also gonna take a little bit of Morphe Sweet Tea just on the edges. I'm gonna take this lip gloss from Ofra in Peony, which I think would be perfect for this. Oh, yeah, that is really pretty. Set the face, I'm gonna take Benefit POREfessional setting spray and just set everything together. And the look is complete. So I love the way this turned out. I have been wanting to do this like cotton candy like fantasy for such a long time now, and I finally got to. I love the way it looks. It's super cute. I think this is very just like, I don't know. I love the way it looks. I definitely would like drag out a little bit of the pink more if I wanted to, but I'm just gonna keep it pretty. I mean, I'll just keep it like this. I'm gonna blend this out a little bit more. I love the way it looks. It's so pretty. I've been literally wanting to do this for so long, so I'm glad I finally got to. But of course, this was fun. I just wanted to play with some makeup. I was in the mood to put all the makeup on, and I sure did. This is kind of it from here. I'm actually gonna film a few more videos, so you'll see this look a lot more in a couple different other videos. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.